Hey! Pay attention. This is important. Stop scrolling. All right, listen. Things are changing. We just went up to 1,500 subscribers. 500 in 2 weeks. That's freaking awesome, guys. My YouTube family, I have not forgotten about you guys. Yes, I know that you are a smaller percentage, but I still think that I still need to be making stuff for you guys. I want to make more stuff for you, but listen, it's difficult to compete with the 200,000 followers that I have on TikTok. But I still love you. I still love you. And I'm still going to make stuff for you. And I wanted to let you know that you are important. And to the last 2 weeks, to the 500 people that subscribed, I appreciate you too. What's new in my life? Well, I'm in the process. You may notice the woods look very different. I'm in the process of actually moving to a new property that is loaded with every type of plants you can think about. Fig trees and apples and, oh, that's a walnut tree. Yeah, they're everywhere. No, that's pecan. Dates and blueberries and blackberries and raspberries. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm sorry I used this video format. I didn't realize I was holding the phone like this. I'll try to turn it sideways for my YouTube guys. All right, guys, I think that's about it because I have a lot of work to do. But tell your friends. Click on those links in the description because those are what give me the ability to do the things that I need to do. And yeah. Let me move. There we go. Till the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. And thank you all for your support. Bye-bye.